Noah Bioscience Performance Oil Review. So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna review this male drops. So, it is an overview that is a powerful male enhancement formula and improves sexual performance and satisfaction. The supplement comes in chewable form and said to work fast, delivering noticeable result within a week. So, this is all about the overview. They claim the benefits increased testosterone levels, harder, longer, and lasting erections, enhanced libido and sex drive, a bigger penis size, and more stamina and sexual confidence. On the surface, these sounds like impressive claim, but a closer examination will reveal. Let's break down all the facts about this meal enhancement supplement. The Nova Bioscience website does list some of the key ingredients contained in there, like tongatali, horny goat wheat, tribulus, maca root, L-arginine, and other chemicals. Now, evaluating the claims, there we know ingredients. Let's take a deeper look at the body claim. Nova Bioscience can increase penis size. This is likely false. There are no currently any pills or supplements that can increase your normal and average size to a bigger size. So you cannot do that. Basically, this is not possible. Second thing, the claim is boosting testosterone level. Unlikely to a significant degree, the herbs in this formula may provide small but temporary increase in testosterone. But there is no evidence any ingredient can profoundly raise the testosterone level or resolve the clinical issue. They claim that Nova Bioscience works for all men and results within a week. Doubtful with biological supplement results can vary widely depending on individual. No product equally works for every man. Differences in metabolism, hormones, underlying health men report and legitimate products would not claim like this. So this is very questionable that they will results start in weeks. So the peak benefits from the herbal supplement often take at least 2 to 4 months to be fully developed, and rapid result is a matter of uh, non-clearance. The other claim they fake, there is no side effect. Misleading. This is really misleading because these chemicals have huge and a minor digestive upset, dizziness, headaches, and uncommon things like you will face uncommon reactions of this medicine. Firstly, let me just show you the aggressive marketing technique they use for their orders. There are potential side effects on this website. This product is not herbal or this is not a herbal product. So I will suggest you to go through a medical practitioner and ask about how it is going to be for you.